Jeff Bezos' new 500 million superyacht. Billionaires are nothing without their extravagant yachts, mansions, and cars. But what extravagant yacht would the world's richest person, Jeff Bezos, have? He definitely can't have something little or medium-sized unless it is something splendid. Welcome to my channel, RichAddict. Today, we'll be talking about Jeff Bezos' $500 million superyacht, so you will get to know all about it. But before we start the video, I invite you to become a VIP member of RichAddict by subscribing to the channel and get notified about new videos before everyone. Let's begin. Jeff Bezos already owns the world's biggest and successful marketplace, Amazon, but he will also become the world's most extravagant and giant yacht owner in just a month. Jeff made the order before the pandemic because he made a plan for his future that he will be discussing later on. His yacht will be the finest yacht ever built. When it is sailed, it will become the world's largest boat ever sailed on the Mother Earth's ocean. The looks. Most of the data about this superyacht is still under wraps until it has been handed over to the owner, but here is something that we could gather for you. It will be a massive 417 feet long, 127 meters, meaning it will be as long as the Great Pyramid of Giza and is 117 feet longer than an American football field. A yacht is nothing without the swimming pool, right? This superyacht will have an in-deck swimming pool and an encompassing and encircling cinema hall. But an interesting thing here is that it won't have a helipad section. Yep, you heard me right. On the exterior, it would consist of 3 mammoth masts and will have several enormous decks. All this data was acquired from the manufacturer's website, Oceanco, and the enthusiast forums. Now, it may shock you that it won't have a helipad, but the extravagant thing is that it will have support for a dedicated yacht inside the superyacht, and that the dedicated yacht will have a landing section. Another thing is that Bezos has been taking flying lessons lately, and his girlfriend, Lauren Sanchez, is already a helicopter pilot. I do not know of any other superyacht that will have its own magnificent yacht inside. The designer. The yacht is designed by Oceanco, a Netherlands-based yacht designer and manufacturing company. The development is named Project Y721. The Oceanco adds that it will be ready just in a month. When it comes to creating a mammoth superyacht, Oceanco is no stranger. They are also the record breakers. In 2018, they designed the Black Pearl, which is the world's largest sailing yacht, Dyna-Rig. Since there are no official photos and videos of Jeff's superyacht, it could be similar to the Black Pearl because the manufacturers are the same. The performance. Along with the design, the performance it offers is also extraordinary. Ino Grappin, who works as chief executive of Winch Design, said that it will sail for around 9,000 nautical miles without stopping to refuel and cruise through everything that comes in its way. She adds that it is big enough to get lost in, and the explorer can roam around for long epochs without going to meet others. Winch Design has been widely known for designing interiors that you won't find anywhere else. They mostly build for airplanes and hotels. Even though it is massively big and weighted, it would run at the speed of 30 knots. She will be able to cross the Atlantic Ocean without even consuming a half-liter of fossil fuel. A lot of this data has been leaked by Bloomberg journalist Brad Stone, who recently released a book, Amazon Unbound. The cost. Next up, let's talk about the price of this extraordinary creature. It has been rumored to have a price tag of around $500 million. It is going to be twice as expensive as the newspaper company Washington Post that he bought in 2013. To be a little more extravagant, Jeff lately sold some of his shares worth $2 billion. But with this yacht at his side, he will have to spend around $50 million yearly to maintain the yacht. The $500 million price tag may feel like a big amount, but it's not that much more than a single penny in Jeff's purse. Thanks to the pandemic, Bezos accumulated around $75 billion in the year of 2020 alone. But hey, he gave the creating order before the pandemic. As of now, Bezos is a little far away from touching the $200 billion height. It was not only him who got to be more richer, but his juvenile Amazon also gets to have a higher price tag. During this whole pandemic situation, Amazon stock rose about 75% more expensive. The demand for yachts has risen so much that it is impossible to book a newly built yacht. The retirement plan. Let's talk about the purpose of having such a huge yacht. As some of you would know, in late 2021, Jeff would be leaving his seat as the CEO of Amazon, and Andy Jassy would take his seat. So, he needs the finest place to enjoy his retirement. That's why he ordered building this yacht 2 years ago. He had a plan ahead of him. That doesn't mean that it's the end of Jeff Bezos. He would still be the chairman executive of Amazon, and he will be more focused on philanthropy. Plus, he was also running his other 2 companies, the Washington Post and Blue Origin. His affection for yachts. Despite being an ultra-billionaire, he hasn't owned anything like a yacht until now. He was seen with the Flying Fox, which is worth $400 million and was rumored to be its owner, but he denied the ownership. But that does not mean that he's not fond of getting one. In 2019, he was seen in 3 different yachts from different owners. One was from entertaining master tycoon David Geffen, and the other from fashion designer Diane von Furstenberg, while the last yacht was in Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. These photos show how lately Bezos was affectionate to yachts, and maybe he ordered one for himself just before getting one of those. That's all for Jeff Bezos' new $500 million super yacht. If you adored the super yacht, then press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more extravagant videos. See you in the next video.